for anybody operating in the kind of realm that we are with financial services, data that needs to be protected, you need a risk register. Prior to Scrut, we did this in spreadsheets it was easy for anybody to be able to put incorrect data in there. There's no checks and balances. With Scrut, we have that all in one place, as well as being able to manage, version control and seeing the kinds of changes that exist across the organization. So anybody operating in our kind of space should have a risk register, but even more than that, it should be in a place where it's properly versioned and permissioned.